Australia, about 115 million years ago. A large wildfire broke out in this dense temperate rainforest. Fortunately, the cool night winds helped to put out a significant portion of the flames. Yet, this relief does little to heal the ravaged land, forcing the surviving animals to search for new homes to ensure their survival. Minmi, a herbivorous ankylosaur. A Minmi specimen was found within the Bundle Formation, specifically in the Minmi member, which is a lagoon deposit that has been dated to the early Cretaceous period. This find includes a partial skeleton, though the skull is missing. It features a sequence of 11 vertebrae from the back, ribs, a right hind limb, and sections of belly armor. This specimen is notable for being one of the earliest armored ornithischian dinosaurs identified in the southern hemisphere. The Minmi have found a place to pause and savor some of the resilient greenery that has managed to endure the persistent flames. Yet, the atmosphere among the group is tense, as the recent fire has left them on edge. A research article released in 2000 revealed that Minmi primarily fed on low-growing vegetation, making it a lone browser and grazer. Its diet included a variety of plants, such as seeds, fruits, flowering species, and ferns. Minmi, unlike other ankylosaurians, featured horizontally oriented bony plates along the sides of its vertebrae. In 1980, it was recognized that these structures were ossified tendons, but it was argued that they were not similar to those found in other related dinosaurs. Instead, they were likened to the pathological tendons seen in modern crocodiles, which are thin sheets of connective tissue linking muscles to bones. By 2014, this comparison was deemed unlikely, with researchers identifying only one unique characteristic in Minmi, the pronounced vertical extent of the musculus articulospinalis tendon ossification at its outer front end, which wrapped around the side process of the vertebra. However, in 2015, it was concluded that even this feature was not exclusive to Minmi, suggesting that the holotype lacked distinctive traits, casting doubt on the validity of the name. Yet, the 2015 description of Cumberosaurus revealed new distinguishing features for Minmi, leading to its recognition as a valid taxon. By 2021, paleontologists reaffirmed that Minmi is indeed distinct from its relatives and should be classified as a valid taxon. Fossils of Minmi have been discovered in Australia, specifically in the regions of Victoria and Queensland. The term Minmi pertains to Minmi crossing. The exact meaning of Minmi remains unclear. It denotes a sizable lily in the indigenous language but could also originate from Min, type of will-o'-the-wisp. The specific name highlights unusual bone structures discovered near the vertebrae, which Molnar labeled as paravertebrae. Similar to Muttaburrasaurus, Minmi specimens have been discovered in marine sedimentary rocks. This dinosaur thrived during an era when a vast shallow sea enveloped much of eastern Australia, leading to instances where carcasses would be swept out to sea following floods. Notably, one Minmi skeleton was unearthed alongside the teeth of small bramble sharks, suggesting that these sharks might have feasted on the deceased dinosaur as it rested upside down on the ocean floor.